All right, let's go through this question over here. All right, this is a money calculation. And it says Leo buys 4.6 kilograms of potatoes. Let's write this down. So Leo is going to buy 4.6 kilograms of potatoes and 3.2 kilograms of onion. The total cost for this comes to, so this is kilograms. So the total cost of these items, if we have to keep cost together, comes to a total of $23.67. Onions cost 3 points. Now we got the cost per kilo in another part of this because that's different. Here we're dealing with just kilograms. Then we're suddenly dealing with just dollars, just currency. Then we're dealing dollars per kilogram, which is different as well. I could put this in a triangle. I could put this in a triangle using, this is also involves a little bit of rate as well. So we got at the top, we're going to have, let's say, kilograms, dollars at the bottom, and then kilograms per dollar, dollars per kilogram. So the other way around, dollars per kilogram. So dollar at the top, dollar per kilogram at the bottom, and then kilogram over here. And this triangle always means the following. It means that you can divide down and multiply across. You divide down and multiply it across. So dollar divided by kilograms becomes dollar per kilogram. And when you multiply kilograms and dollars per kilograms, it becomes dollar. And you can also see that in a simple equation. So if you got kilograms times dollar per kilogram, it'll cancel out, leaving you with just dollar at the top. Okay. Triangle this side. I've got these three possibilities, and the cost per kilogram is being given to me as $3.45 for the onion. Okay. So I can calculate what this cost is, right? That's for 1 kilogram. Okay, so $3.45 for 1 kilogram, which means that if I do want to calculate the next part, right, I'm going to have to multiply those two together. Using that same triangle, if I've got 3.2 over here and I've got 3.45 over here, because that's cost per kilogram, dollars per kg was here, and kg was here, and then dollars was at the top. So I would multiply those two to get the dollar amount, which is actually in this column. Okay, and this is the kg column, and this is the cost per kg column. So 3.45 times 3.2 is what I need to get this. 3.45 times 3.2. And that comes to 11.04. Now, obviously, I can work this out by subtracting those two together from each other. So 23.67 minus 11.04 comes to 12.63. 12.63 minus 11.04 will come to 23.67. Okay. And the question is asking me to find the cost of 1 kilogram of potatoes. So they actually want me to find that amount. I've got to work my way backwards now. So what do? Remember, kilograms is over there. Cost is over there. So if I want to find that amount, which is for 1 kilo per kilo, another way of saying 1 kilo is per kilo. So therefore, all I have to do is divide the dollar amount this way. So I've got to take 12.63, which is there, divided by kg, actually in this part here. 12.63 divided by 4.6. I'm going to take 12.3 divided by 4.6 on the calculator, and that comes to $2, rounded to 2 decimal places, 75 cents per kilogram. And that's my final answer there, $2.75. Find the cost of 1 kilogram. Therefore, 1 kilogram will cost, and you can always put a conclusion. It's always good if needed. That's actually the best way to answer the question, is to have a conclusion. 1 kilogram will cost $2.75 per kilo. Okay, all for 1 kilogram, or just $2.75. So that's implying that it is 1 kilo from there.